Hey guys, welcome to this registration page for our free webinar series. I'm very excited that you're here, very excited to go through this webinar series with you if you're interested. And this will take you from start to finish on how to fix credit report errors. So first we have to get the reports and we have to identify all the errors. Not talking about making stuff up, but actual legitimate errors. And then how do we create the dispute letter? How do we get that to the credit bureaus? How do we evaluate the response coming back from the credit bureaus? Or maybe they ignore us and don't respond at all. What do we do? And so my background is I've been suing the credit bureaus and other companies under the Fair Credit Reporting Act for about 20 years. And I train lawyers around the country how to do this. And so I want to share with you exactly what we do inside my office. Here's how we take somebody and dispute errors on their credit reports. We have to get those reports, have to identify the errors, dispute it, and then here's how we figure out, can we sue or can we not sue? And so if you're interested in this, just fill out, you put in your name, first name, your email, and click register. I do want to mention this box right here. I encourage you to check it. It'll allow us to send you what are called broadcast emails, just automated emails, because this is the first part of our training series that will be in what the big picture is called Consumer Law University, where we'll have all sorts of free trainings for dealing with debt collectors and mortgage companies. And what if you're in a personal injury? What if you're dealing with tax issues? We'll have these very comprehensive trainings. And if you want to be notified about them and get our weekly email newsletter, just check that box. If you don't, that's totally fine. Now, if you maybe are watching this again, you've already registered, but you did not check that box, you can register again. I assume that will work. Or just email me and say, hey, I do want those sort of automated or broadcast emails, and you can always unsubscribe at any time. So excited to have you guys with us on this journey, and this will be probably 5 or 6 weeks. We'll kind of play it by ear, and it'll be every Thursday at 11 a.m. Central. And if you miss one, like I said, I do encourage you to be live, but if you miss one, that's no problem. You can catch the replay, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.